Welcome to this tutorial on Arbitrum, one of the most popular optimistic roll-up solutions for scaling Ethereum applications. Arbitrum helps solve Ethereum's scalability challenges by processing transactions faster and cheaper while maintaining the security of the Ethereum mainnet. Arbitrum is a Layer 2 scaling solution that processes transactions off-chain and settles them on Ethereum using optimistic roll-up technology. Think of it as a secondary layer built on top of Ethereum that handles the heavy lifting of transaction processing, while Ethereum's main chain focuses on security and final settlement. To understand why Arbitrum exists, we need to look at Ethereum's limitations. Ethereum can only process around 15 transactions per second, making it very slow. The network often gets congested, leading to high gas fees that can make simple transactions extremely expensive. These bottlenecks prevent Ethereum from scaling to meet growing demand. Optimistic rollups work in three main steps. First, transactions are bundled together and processed off-chain in batches. Second, these batch transactions are posted to Ethereum with an optimistic assumption that they are valid. Third, there's a 7-day challenge period where anyone can dispute invalid transactions by submitting fraud proofs. Arbitrum offers several compelling advantages. It can handle over 4,000 transactions per second, making it significantly faster than Ethereum. Gas fees are reduced by approximately 90%, making transactions much more affordable. It's fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, so developers can deploy their existing Solidity smart contracts without modifications. Most importantly, it inherits Ethereum's robust security guarantees. Arbitrum's architecture consists of three main components. The Arbitrum chain executes transactions with full Ethereum virtual machine compatibility. The sequencer is responsible for ordering and batching transactions efficiently. Finally, Ethereum Layer 1 stores the rollup data and handles any disputes that arise during the challenge period. Security in Arbitrum relies on fraud proofs. Validators continuously monitor transactions for any invalid state changes. If someone detects fraudulent activity, anyone can submit a fraud proof during the challenge period. Ethereum's Layer 1 then verifies these disputes and slashes malicious actors, penalizing them for attempting to submit invalid transactions. Deploying contracts on Arbitrum is straightforward. You simply add the Arbitrum network to your hard hat configuration file. Specify the RPC URL as https://arb1.arbitrum.io/rpc, set the chain ID to 42,161, and provide your private key in the account's array. Your existing Ethereum contracts can be deployed without any code changes. Arbitrum has grown into a leading Layer 2 solution for Ethereum. The ecosystem includes over 500 decentralized applications across DeFi, NFTs, and gaming. It has attracted over $2 billion in total value locked, demonstrating strong user confidence. Millions of users now benefit from faster and cheaper transactions while enjoying Ethereum's security guarantees.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.